in exile in this land so far away. The memories of my childhood years are with me every day. And the morning that I left them all down in that heather glen. But soon I hope to go back home and see it all again. I long to see that misty isle where the grass is always green, the mountains and the valleys where my heart has always been. And before I bid my last farewells, it is my one desire to be back in Ireland once again beside the old turf fire. To see those turf flames flicker would fill my heart with joy. They would take me right back once again to when I was a boy, with the kettle swinging on the crook and the peat fire burning red, and my mother churning buttermilk and baking soda bread. And though I didn't know it then, those sure were happy days, toiling in the old peat bogs and cutting meadow hay. And the dances at the crossroads are still fresh in my mind. And yes, I often wonder why I left them all behind. I long to see that misty isle where the grass is always green, the mountains and the valleys where my heart has always been. And before I bid my last farewells, it is my one desire to be back in Ireland once again beside the old turf fire. But I guess I better not return, or things won't be the same as when I left to search the world for fortune and for fame. But until the good Lord calls me to join his tuneful choir, I think of dear old Ireland beside the old turf fire. I long to see that misty isle where the grass is always green, the mountains and the valleys where my heart has always been. And before I bid my last farewells, it is my one desire to be back in Ireland once again beside the old turf fire. To be back in Ireland once again beside the old turf fire.